Hey everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. This was previously known as Facebook Business Manager, but now it's called Meta Business Suite. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So please like this video. So, if you're looking to remove a page from your Meta Business Suite account, here's how to do it step by step. First, open Meta Business Suite by going to business.facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, select your Facebook business account. Next, click on All Tools, then scroll down to the Manage section where you'll find Settings. Just click on it and log into your Meta Business Suite. Now, once you're in Settings, click on Business Assets. Here, you'll see all the assets linked to your Facebook page. To make it easier, click on Pages to filter and display all the pages associated with your account. To remove a page, simply click on the page name and a side panel will appear. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Remove from Facebook Business Account or Meta Business Account. A confirmation message will pop up. Just confirm, and that's it. Keep in mind that once you remove the page, it will no longer be part of your business account. And there you go. The page has now been successfully removed from your Meta Business Suite. Hope this video helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.